Love here, and I'm coming on today to share with you this box that I altered. I get these great boxes from work, and I have several of them around my room that I use to organize my crafty goodies. But this one I thought I would embellish and fill with goodies and put it in my Etsy. It's just filled with so many fun things to create with. I hope it inspires you. So I just dry brushed on the paint and left it shabby looking because that's how I like it. And then I started making snippet strips, snippet ribbon. It's one of my favorite things. I think it's so pretty. And I added it all around the edge of the box. Isn't it just gorgeous? I have to tell you, snippet ribbon is like my favorite thing to do. I can just sew snippets on that ribbon all day. It brings me such joy. And on the top of this box, I actually added this pocket that I created on a video using some of my friend Marie's digitals and some laces from Angel Dream Crafts. So I'm going to put a link to that video in the iCards if you'd like more details about that. And then I just kind of collaged a bunch of snippet ribbons and some pleated fabric and laces on the top, which I think just turned out so beautifully. And I will now show you everything that's in the box on the video, but I'm not going to talk you through everything. It's a lot of snippet pieces that I've created myself, and there's also a lot of things that I have stenciled on, and just a lot of really fun, beautiful things. So I hope that they inspire you. And I am actually going to be headed out of town next week for the birth of my newest grandson, Finley Oak. And so I will be in Oregon for about 3 weeks, and my Etsy store will be closed. So you have a few more days, and I'm getting ready to list this box in there. So if you're interested, be sure you go over there and get it. It'll be I'm going to close my store, I'm thinking, on Monday, and then it'll be closed for almost a month. So I hope you're all doing well. If I get a chance to create any shorts, because I'm sure I will be crafting with my granddaughter, I will do that. And if not, I will see you when I get back. Bye, everybody.